Shut up and sit down.
Welcome back to Financial Phoenix. In this video, we're going to talk about what exactly is so unique about couponing at Dollar General and how we can save the most money when we're doing so. The information provided here is going to be helpful for newbie couponers as well as veterans who have been around a while who maybe just need a refresher on how things work at DG. Don't forget that you can follow us on Instagram or join our Facebook deals group for deal breakdowns, clearance alerts, and more. The links will be provided in the description box down below. Let's go ahead and get started. The thing that sets Dollar General apart from most stores is the weekly promotion that they offer called a 5 off of 25 deal. And this is simply a digital or paper coupon that you can use to earn $5 off your purchase of $25 and above. It is pretty much year-round, although there are some weekends throughout the year where they take off and they don't offer this promotion, but generally you can expect it week to week. Now, this does not mean that you can only shop at Dollar General on Saturdays. In fact, on this channel, we share a lot of deals throughout the week that you can do Monday through Friday or even on Sundays, where you can save a lot of money, even get some items for free just by using coupons and no 5 off of 25. So that is a possibility, though typically what we do week to week is the 5 off of 25 deal on Saturday. Now, Dollar General also does a really good job with their clearance and seasonal clearance merchandise, offering sales throughout the year of between 50 and 90% off all of their previously marked down clearance prices, so you can get stuff for really, really cheap. Another nice thing that they do to help save you money is you can use coupons on clearance priced items. So you can check out any of our clearance videos for more information on that. So essentially, by using our $5 off of 25 spent coupon and combining it with the other coupons on the items that we purchase, we're gonna make for a lot of savings. Thanks for checking out this video. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next installment in this series about how exactly to use your digital and paper coupons and combine them with that $5 off to get the most savings. Leave us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and be sure to share with a friend who might need to save a little bit on groceries. And remember to save money, make money, and dream big. Bye, everybody.
Shut up and sit down.